Welcome in class 5. Next part, simplification topic. Simplification in decimals can be done with the BODMAS rule as in fraction. So simplification in numbers you have already do as a BODMAS rule. Now here with the decimals number. Here 4.5 plus 3.7 minus 3.6 divided by 1.2. So here plus, minus, division. These three symbols are included now. So how to calculate it? First divide, then after add, then after subtract. Okay, and you got 5.2 as it is. Another example here, 3 divided by 16 plus 1.2 into 1 by 4. This is a fraction also included in it. Then after minus 1 by 5 fraction plus in small bracket there is a middle bracket. Okay, two groups. Then here the first is the fraction number and the second, this is the small bracket where is integers 1 minus 0.8. First subtract this group because 1 minus 0.8 is in small bracket. So first open the small bracket, then after the value you got, then open middle bracket, then after whichever value you got, then after see division here. So first divide, then after multiply, then after which you have by the opening bracket value you subtract from the value after division, multiplication, then after addition. Okay, so after opening the bracket first divide, then multiply, then add, then after subtract this value which formed by opening the bracket. Okay, now see here is the solution which help you. Now I show you exercise 60 for the simplify. Here first question, simplify 5 into 8 divided by 2 plus 6. So with the BODMAS rule what we do first, B is equal to bracket, O is equal to off, D is equal to division. Now so first divide because here neither any off or bracket. So first divide 8 by 2, 4 quotient plus 6. Now multiply 5 4s are 20 plus 6. What you got? 26. Okay. Now next B, 2.8 into 15.6 of 0.4 divided by 4. What we do first, off or division? Off now because BODMAS D comes after O. So here 2.8 into, now off means multiplication. Multiply this both number. 4 6 24. Okay, then after 15 4 60, 60 plus 2 62. Okay, now 624 multiplication of 156 into 4 because here is a decimal point before two integers. So count from the ones place two integers 1 2 and make here decimal point. Okay, now divide 2.8 into 4. After dividing 8 you got 4 1s are 4, then after remaining 2, 4 5s are 20, remaining 2 again, 4 6 are 24. Okay, 150. Now make decimal point before two places. Now multiply it and you got with the multiplication like 156 and 28 multiply. 6 8 ja 48, 5 8 ja 40 plus 4 44, 8 1 ja 8 plus 4 12, 6 2 ja 12, 5 2 ja 10 plus 1 11, 2 plus 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3. Okay, carry over of 11, 8 6, add it, 8 6 3 4, 4368 and decimal point before three places. Now 1 2 and here 3. So make decimal point here. Okay, this is the answer. Now solve third question number 1. Third question, 17.2 plus 13.4 minus 21.2 into 2.2 plus 1.2 divided by 0.06. First write it both the integers. Now first solve the bracket, small bracket given numbers, that is multiplication, multiply it. Okay, then after suppose 212 into 22, 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4. Okay, 4 plus 2 6, 4 plus 2 6 and 4, 4664. Now 4664, make decimal point before 2 places, 46.64. Now plus 1.2 divided by 0.06, 6. Now 17.2 plus 13.4, right, minus 46.64 plus, now divide 12 by 6. If you divide 12 by 6, you got 2, na? You got 2. And which number has this after decimal point, after places greater, that is 0.06 has the greater places after decimal point, na? So how many places in 0.06 after decimal point? 2 places, and here 1 places. 2 minus 1, only 1. Okay, so here point make just after move from here 1 place. Okay, so if you have here point, so make 1 0 more and then after point, because here 2 minus 1, 1 places increase. Okay, so 20, 1.2 divided by 0.06, you got 20. Okay, you can also do it in this way, that converting in fraction, that is 1.2 as 12 by 10 and 0.06 as 6 by 100. Okay, then after divide it as multiply 100 by 6 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, then after 6 2 जा 12 and 10 10 जा 100, 2 into 10 20. ओके, क्लियर ना? ऐसे भी हो सकता है, आप फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करके भी आप इजीली कर सकते हो डेसिमल का. यहाँ देखिए 17.2 प्लस 13.4, एड इट, 4 प्लस 2 6, 7 plus 3, make decimal point, 7 plus 3 10, 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3. Okay, then after minus, add or subtract these both number. You have to subtract because here plus and here minus. Okay, so if you want, because here plus and here minus, so you have to subtract it, not to add. Okay, because this is negative number, this is positive number, so subtract from this. You have 4 6.6 minus 0.6, 4 minus 2 2. ओके, प्लस माइनस हमारा माइनस हो जाएगा, और फिर उसके बाद जो भी नंबर हमारा ग्रेटर होता है दोनों नंबर्स में, उसी का साइन यहाँ पे लिखते हैं. सपोज 46 इज ग्रेटर देन 20 ना, सो यहाँ पे हमने सिंबल माइनस का दिया है, और यहाँ पे माइनस प्लस इज इक्वल टू माइनस हम करते हैं, तो यहाँ पे इसलिए मैंने माइनस किया था. ठीक है, 30.6 माइनस दैट नंबर, सपोज मेक्स हियर 0 फॉर द लाइक डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन. हियर 0 minus 4, that is 10 minus 4 now, so 6, 5 minus 6 not, so 15 minus 6, 15 minus 6, you have 9. Okay, then after what here makes us 9 na, 9 minus 6 3, 2 minus 2 0. This is the answer. Now fifth of first, E, 6.4 minus 4.6 in small bracket and another group in small bracket. So first solve these two groups. 6.4 minus 4.6, you have 4 minus 6 not, so 14 minus 6, 14 minus 6 you got what? 14 minus 6 you got 8. Okay, you got 8. 14 minus 6 you got 8. Then after 6 makes us 5 now, 5 minus 4 you got 1. So 1.8 divided by here 7 by 8, write as, if you convert in the decimal fraction, this is 8 8 ja 64. Okay, 8 8 ja 64. Make decimal before 8 because 7 is less than to 8, so 8 8 ja 64. 70 minus 64 is equal to 6 na, so 8 6 ja 8 7 ja 56, 56, and after 60 minus 56 you got 4, 8 5 ja 40, 875 decimal conversion. But for your sufficiency you can also convert this decimal in fraction, 35 by 10. Now solve this first. 7 by 8 into 10 by 35. Okay. Now here 1.8 write as divided by, now 7 5 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8, 1 by 4 na. So write here 1 by 4 and convert 1.8 also as a fraction, 18 by 10 divided by 1 by 4, reciprocal हो जाएगा 4 by 1. Okay. Now here 10 divided by 2 in 5 times, then after it's also divided by 2 in 2 times. Now 18 2 ja 36 divided by 5. Now divide 36 by 5 and you got decimal fraction as 5 7 ja 35.1 here 10 10, 5 2 ja 10, 7.2 is the answer. Now next 5 into 5.2 plus 35.7 in middle bracket minus 5.6 of in small bracket 12.6 divided by 4.2, then after whole brackets are closed. First solve this small bracket. Okay, so write these all integers as it is written above. Okay, now write off also here. First calculate the integers in the brackets, then after off. Okay, because off is here in the middle bracket, so for opening the middle bracket first solve the off, then after another. Okay, so here 12.6 divided by 4.2, so 126 divided by 42, and you got 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6 and 4 3 ja 12, you got 3, you got 3, because here same places decimal after decimal point, so here the answer is 3. Okay, now 5 into 5.2 plus 35.7 minus, do the off group here also close this one. Okay, 5.6 into 3 you got 6 3 ja 18, 5 3 ja 15 plus 1 16, 16.8, close middle bracket, then after big bracket, 5 into big bracket open 5.2 plus middle bracket solve it, 7 minus 8 not, so borrow from here and it makes as 17, and 17 minus 8 you got 9. Okay, then after here 4, so 14 minus 6 8, then after here 2, so 2 minus 1 here 1. Okay, now big bracket close, middle bracket open हो गया. Then after 5 into add it, 9 plus 2 11, 8 plus 5 13 plus 1 14, 1 plus 1 2. Now multiply it, 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20, 5 2 ja 10 plus 2 12, 120.5 is the answer. Now statement sums of exercise 60. A worker gets daily wage rupees 80.85. It means 80 rupees 85 paise. Number of workers 27 workers are working. So total wages, it means total wages of whole workers 27 workers. Each worker has daily wage as rupees 80 and 85 paise. So multiply this both, number of workers into daily wage of each worker, 80.85. multiply it. How to multiply? Just see, 80.85 into 27. 5 7 ja 35, 7 8 ja 56, 56 plus 3, 59. Then after write here 5 because here 0, 7 0 0 and plus 5 5. 7 8 ja 56. Then after 5 2 ja 10, 8 2 ja 16 plus 1 17. Here 1 as it is, 2 0 0 hota hai. 8 2 ja 16. Now add and write here 5 9 12. Okay. Then after 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8. 5 plus 6 11. 1 plus 1 2. Okay. Now decimal point before 2 places, so make here decimal point. Okay. Here is a total wages in rupees, 2182 rupees and 95 paise. Now next, Raj has rupees 982 and 30 paise. He gave to his son 1/4 and to his wife 1/2. Money did Raj keep for himself. So how much money left for him? Here 1/4 plus 1/2. This is total expenditure now to give in son and his wife. So this addition subtract from 1. This is a whole part which Raj has. Okay. So Raj has here makes the fraction first. How many fraction part did Raj has? Then after convert in decimal fraction in rupees. Okay. Here 1/4 plus 1/2 solve and you got 4. 4 1 ja 4. 1. Okay. Plus 2 2 ja 4 here. Then also here 2. 3/4. 1 minus 3/4 and you got 4 minus 3 here. 4 minus 3/4. 1/4. 1/4 part of Raj. So 1/4 of Raj has. So Raj keep for himself is equal to 1/4 of total 982.30. You have 245.575 okay rupees. Now question number 5. Number of purses Sonali bought 5. On price total 105. Number of purses Sonali bought 5. Total 105.75. So each purse cost. What is the each purse cost which Sonali bought? Sonali pay for each. How many? 105.75 divided by 5 and you got 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5. Then after 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. Rupees 21 and 15 paise. Now here number of purses Tina bought 6 and total 180.60. So Tina pay for each. Tina pay for each is equal to 180.60 divided by 6. You got 6 3 ja 18 0. Here 6 1 ja 6 0. 30 rupees 10 paise. Okay. 30 rupees 10 paise. Okay. So here the question is who paid less? So Sonali paid less by how many? So 30 minus 21. 30 minus 21.5. Your 10 minus 5. 5. Okay. Then after here it makes as 10. 10 minus 1 9. Okay. Then after it's also make as it's 9. So 9 minus 1 8. Here 2 minus 2 0, rupees 8.95 by rupees 8.9. Tom travel by foot 2.07, by bus 12.1, now by scooter. We have to calculate if total distance 29 kilometer 50 meter. Yeah, 0.5 now, so 50 meter, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. And if you are here write as on 10th place 5, then this is 500 meter. But 0.5 given hai, so this is read as 50 meter. Okay. Then after rest of the distance covered by scooter. Here total distance 29.05, add bus and foot here and subtract from the whole. 0.5 minus 2.07 plus 12.1. 29.05 minus, add it, 7 plus 1 8, सॉरी 7 here है ना, तो यहाँ पे हमारा लाइक फ्रैक्शन 0 हो जाएगा, तो ये यहाँ पे 8 नहीं होगा, ये 7 ही होगा. 7 plus 0 7. Here 0 plus 1 1. Now 12 plus 2 14. Subtract it. 15 minus 7 8. Then after 9 minus 1 8. 8 minus 4 4. 2 minus 1 1. 14.88 kilometer. It means 14 kilometer and 880 meter. Okay.